Hi, birthday boy. I cannot believe that you're 10 years old today. I am so thankful for you, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. I'm just here hanging out with a couple of your favorite friends, and they want to say happy birthday to you as well, including this little doll face right now. Say happy birthday, Sumner. Dolly, you have to look. Happy birthday. I can't wait to see you grow up and all those things, but we're going to wait a minute for that, of course. But I hope you just have the best birthday ever. Happy 10th birthday, buddy. Love you.
You want me, go figure. To the back, to the front. You a 10, baby girl, but I'm the one.
Happy birthday. I love you so much.
Hey buddy, happy 10th birthday. I hope you have a great one. I love you so much. I'm so proud of you, so proud to be your dad. All right, buddy. All right, love you so much. Love you, bud. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sumner. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sumner.
You my little boo thing, so I don't give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know.
Happy birthday, Sumner.
Yay! We love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Sumner. Happy birthday.
I know.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer. Gamer versus gamer.
Gamer versus gamer.